morning. Thought I would document my bathroom renovation since we are mostly doing it ourselves. Got this idea on YouTube, would you believe? Okay. Currently, last week, jackhammered all the tiles up on the floor. It didn't turn out to be easy, mind you. Started with a chisel, which didn't work. And a very nice friend of mine lent me a jackhammer. So we got most of those out. Haven't removed the toilet yet. Loosened it. Okay. Shower. Shower's been it's a bit of a mess now. I've been working on the walls today. Okay. It's actually laid on an old bed of tiles. I assume there used to be a bath here, and they took that out and tiled it. Bits and pieces. No waterproofing, mind you. Absolutely no membrane under these tiles. And you wonder why we would have a problem. Okay, remove those with the nifty little tool, which I will show you. I don't even know what it is. Same good friend of mine lent me a great tool. It literally cuts off the tile under the adhesive. It's just a vibrating thing. I think I've got to live without that, because when I tried to remove it with a chisel, this is what happens. Yes, big holes. You can see a few spots where I've put holes in the wall. So anyway, on the top we have some sort of, it's like a tar adhesive kind of, and it smells when it heats up. Underneath, where they've replaced the board with a piece, those tiles aren't coming off very well, which I ended up just smashing with a hammer. And you can see they started to fall apart, and they literally just fell off the wall. So this little piece is loose. I'll have to get some advice on that. And the other side, I gave up, can you tell? Just put a hammer through it, and it decided to disintegrate. There is no waterproofing membrane behind it, the tiles especially. I don't know about the ground, but there's none on the wall. So that, you can see where the, it's a steel frame home, and it's beginning to rust. On the other side, I had replaced the jib rock, but there's mould growing up it on the other side again, so have to sort that out. So today, hopefully I should get the rest of these wall tiles off. I think I'm going to just remove this entire wall, replace it with a new blue board, which is what, 26 bucks or something, so my mother tells me. Yeah, so we're going to have tiles around the window, which somebody decided to put. It's actually just a wooden window frame, which is rotten completely. And there's me. Hello. And then take the vanity out. And we're not going to put another vanity in. I think we'll put in a wall sink and a pedestal, and it'll look rather nice. So yeah, next up, and the laundry. More than likely, these cupboards coming out, and a new bench with a nice stainless steel sink. It's going to look pretty. Okay, keep up to date. Catch you soon.